It is just
The
too
pressure was
large.
29.80 inches and falling. Around Kansas City, skies ranged from mostly sunny to partly sunny.
Here we go.
This watch includes the following counties in Kansas: Johnson, Leavenworth, Miami, and Wyandotte. In the following counties in Missouri: Cass, Clay,
Jesus,
Jackson,
who is
Johnson,
making that
Lafayette,
noise?
Platte, and Ray. Remember, a severe thunderstorm watch means the conditions are favorable for the development of severe weather, including large hail and damaging winds in and close to the watch area. While severe weather may not be imminent, persons should remain alert for rapidly changing weather conditions and listen for later statements and possible warnings. Stay tuned to our weather radio, commercial radio and television outlets, or internet sources for the latest severe weather information. Repeating, severe thunderstorm watch number 507 has been issued until 10 p.m. for the following counties in Kansas: Johnson, Leavenworth, Miami, and Wyandotte. In the following counties in Missouri: Cass, Clay, Jackson, Johnson, Lafayette, Platte, and Ray. This is National Weather Service. KIT 77 in Kansas City. The National Weather Service has issued severe thunderstorm watch number 507, effective until 10 p.m. This watch includes the following counties: Kansas.
Serious?
Thunderstorm warning for southeastern Bayview County, north central Ray County, eastern Caldwell County, southwestern Livingston County, until 4 p.m.
Well, here we go.
A severe thunderstorm was located over Polo, or 12 miles south of Hamilton, moving northeast at 30 miles per hour. Expected hazards include 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. Hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Bramer, Polo, Breckenridge, Kingston, Cowgill, Ludlow, and Mooresville. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 4 p.m. for the following counties in Missouri: Caldwell, Davies, Livingston, and Ray.
What the hell?
The current time is 3:18
What the
p.m.
hell is
Central
wrong with
Daylight
you?
Time. The National Weather Service in Pleasantville
whatever.
has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southeastern Davies,
Yeah, you've been having issues
eastern
for a
Caldwell
while.
County, southwestern Livingston County, until 4 p.m.
Whoa. Okay. Unrecognized message? What is this?
Thunderstorm warning for southern Davies County, northeastern Clinton County, in northwestern Missouri, northwestern Caldwell County, southeastern DeKalb County, in northwestern Missouri, until
What are you on?
At 5:57 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near Cameron, moving northeast at 15 miles per hour. Expected hazards include 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following effects are expected. Hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Cameron, Gallatin, Stewartsville, Rossmore, Kidder, Winston, Altamont, Jameson, and Weatherby.
Why did you not go wrong?
Interstate 35 in Missouri
That's
between mile markers 50 and 71. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 6:45 p.m. for the following counties in Missouri: Caldwell, Clinton, Davies, and DeKalb. This is NOAA Weather Radio Station, KID 77 in Kansas City.
Well,
Is occurring in the listening area.
have
Stay tuned for the latest severe weather information.
yeah, I think it's time where
The current time
I
is
turn on a
6.
PC and start capturing alerts.
Northeastern Clay County, southeastern Clinton County in northwestern Missouri, northwestern Ray County, southwestern Caldwell County until 7 p.m. At 6:36 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over Excelsior Estates, or over Lawson, moving east at 35 miles per hour. Expected hazards include 60 miles per hour wind gusts. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. Expect damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Excelsior Springs, Kearney, Lawson, Polo, Hold, Crystal Lakes, Cowgill, Excelsior Estates, Woods Heights, Rayville, Mosby, Homestead, Bradlersville, Elmira, and Knoxville. This includes Interstate 35 in Missouri between mile markers 27 and 36. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Torrential rainfall is occurring with this storm and may lead to flash flooding. Do not drive your vehicle through flooded roadways. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 7 p.m. for the following counties in Missouri: Caldwell, Clay, Clinton, and Ray. The National Weather Service has issued severe thunderstorm watch number 507, effective until 10 Storm warning for eastern Clay County, southeastern Clinton County, and northwestern Missouri, Ray County, southern Caldwell County, northwestern Lafayette County, north central Jackson County, until 7:30 p.m. At 6:56 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located 8 miles south of Polo, or 10 miles east of Lawson, moving east at 30 miles per hour. Expected hazards include 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Severe weather has been reported by the public. Damaging winds were reported in the Excelsior Estates area. The following impacts are expected. Expect damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Excelsior Springs, Richmond, Lawson, Bremer, Boyd, Polo, Harding, Henrietta, Crystal Lakes, Sibley, Kingston, Missouri City, Cowgill, Excelsior Estates.
Oh, yeah, I forgot Missouri City existed.
Homestead, and Fleming.
Because no one lives there.
Move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Torrential rainfall is occurring with this storm and may lead to flash flooding.
Possible flash flood.
Do not drive your vehicle through flooded roadways. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has
Let's see if I can.
been issued until 7:30 p.m. for the following counties in Missouri: Caldwell, Clay, Clinton, Jackson, Lafayette, and Ray. This is known thunderstorms will impact central Wyandotte, northwestern Miami, southeast. Thunderstorm warning for northwestern Miami County, southwestern Johnson County, Kansas, until 7:30 p.m. At 6:59 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near Wellsville, 47 miles south of Edgerton, moving east at 30 miles per hour. Expected hazards include 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. Hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Paola, Spring Hill, Osawatomie, Chili's, Hillsdale, and Wagstaff. This includes Interstate 35 in Kansas between mile markers 200 and 201. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until until 7:30 p.m. for the following counties in Kansas: Johnson and Miami. Strong thunderstorms will impact central Wyandotte, northwestern Miami, southeastern Leavenworth, Johnson, southwestern Clay, southeastern Platte. Lafayette County, Jackson County, until 8 p.m. At 7:12 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near Missouri City to near Grandview, moving east at 25 miles per hour. Expected hazards include 60 miles per hour wind gusts. This is a radar indicating threat. The following impacts are expected. Expect damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Kansas City, Independence, Lee's Summit, Blue Springs, Leewood, Raytown, Grandview, Green Valley, Richmond, Greenwood, Sugar Creek, Buckner, Lake Latawada, Courtney, Lone Jack, Fork, Wellington, Lake Tappalingo, Henrietta, and Sidley. This includes the following highways: Interstate 70 in Missouri between mile markers 8 and 32. Interstate 470 between mile markers 0 and 60.
Oh, here comes the storms.
Interstate 435 between mile markers 62 and 75. Interstate 49 between mile markers 188 and 183. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Torrential rainfall is occurring with these storms and may lead to flash flooding. Do not drive your vehicle through flooded roadways. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 8 p.m. for the following counties in Missouri: Clay, Jackson, Lafayette, and Ray. The National Weather Service.
Oh my goodness.
Thunderstorm watch number 507, effective
Yo.
until 10 p.m. This watch includes the following counties
That is
in Kansas,
a
Johnson,
lot of
Leavenworth, Miami, and Wyandotte, and the following counties in
Holy
Missouri:
cow.
Cass, Clay, Jackson, Johnson, Lafayette, Platte, and Ray. Remember, a severe thunderstorm watch means the National Weather Service in Pleasant Hill has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northern Lynn County, Missouri, southeastern Grundy County, southern Sullivan County, northeastern Livingston County, until 8 p.m. At 7:23 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near Linus, or 15 miles northwest of Brookfield, moving east at 30 miles per hour. Expected hazards include 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. Hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Linus, Browning, and Purdon. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 8 p.m. for the following counties in Missouri: Grundy, Lynn, Livingston, and Sullivan. The National Weather Service has issued severe Livingston County until 8:15 p.m.
Okay, so you got the alert.
Severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near Brainerd to Sibley, moving east at 25 miles per hour. Expected hazards include 60 miles per hour wind gusts. This is a radar indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. Expect damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Richmond, Lexington, Bremer, Fork, Wellington, Norborn, Greenville, Camden, Bogart, Tina, Ludlow, Fleming, and Steck. For your protection in your interior room on the lowest floor of a building, torrential rainfall is occurring with the storm. Flash flooding. If you're not driving your vehicle through flooded roadways, repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 8:15 p.m. for the following counties in Missouri: Carroll, Livingston, and Ray. National Weather Service in Pleasant.